Hi, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Bite-Sized Branding. Today, we're going to be talking about how to make your marketing headlines memorable, specific, and most importantly, compelling. And when I say headlines, I'm talking about the first sentence on your homepage. What's on your banner? What's the very first sentence or phrase that they see? I'm talking about social media ads. What is written on those advertisements? I'm talking about email blasts. What's the subject line? These components are most often in a single sentence form or a phrase. Usually there's a headline and then a subheader that supports the headline. So today we're going to talk about 3 key components for writing headlines that will greatly help you in creating the headlines across your marketing mix that are compelling. So the first one is keeping it simple. I preach this over and over. Write it again and again and again, and then take out all of the words that aren't necessary. Be very intentional in what you're writing. Number 2, make it as local as you possibly can. Even if you're an international organization, there are ways you can speak to your audience or speak to certain target markets that live in a certain state, a certain city, a certain demographic. Use language that they use. Use phrases that make sense for them. It will immensely help you connect with them and make them feel like you're trusted and you know what they want and what they're experiencing. The third piece is making it unique. So many businesses are afraid to have a unique personality, a unique tone about them. So many studies have shown over the past 6-7 years that having a unique personality in your organization will only benefit you, especially within younger generations. So go ahead and use a funny word. Go ahead and use a term or a slang or something that makes you memorable and makes your business feel more like a human being rather than a cold, stodgy organization. That's all for today. Take it easy.